Hello and welcome, friends. Welcome to another unboxing, exciting episode. I just received this pack and I'm ready to open it. You must know that it contains two writing instruments and I paid for them 130 lays, which means I paid 26.26 euros or 29.74 American dollars. I'm quite excited and you will see why in a few moments. So I have here my pelican knife. Sorry guys. Okay, and this is the box. It's in this strange form, so I hope I won't damage it too much. I just found here a little hole and I'm trying to see what I have. So okay, like this. Now I will cut it. Okay, and yes, I've reached the content. This is the box. Okay, this is the content. Let me see. Okay, so wrapped in this paper. Okay, lots of wrapping paper. Okay guys, let me see. Okay, so I have, I believe, one here. It's annoying. It takes so long for such a small writing instrument, but you will see a beautiful writing instrument. And finally, we reached the surprise, and look at it, guys. A beautiful, pristine looking Flaro 61C. If you watch the channel, you probably know that this beautiful celluloid from the 1960s is, in my opinion, the most beautiful fountain pen ever produced in Romania. And if you look closely, right here, yes, I focused on them. There are some Flaro 61Cs. I recently departed with 4 models, unique models, and I got in return my great fountain pen from Delta. And if you don't know that fountain pen, you should check it out at the end of the video. I finally got my Grail fountain pen of 2021, and I had to exchange some rare fountain pens, and among them were 4 models of the 61C. You probably see that I have this model in the same color right here, so this will be the third model, but I had to buy it because it cost me only 100 lays or 20.20 euros or 22.88 American dollars. And guys, you can see the trims are in wonderful condition. Let me zoom on it. So no signs of rust or something like that. Both of the jewels are present and they match the body, and I'm quite curious to see now if we have a special nib. And indeed we have the Gusa nib with an iridium point. a steel nib gold plated, but a wonderful, wonderful German nib. And now I'm curious to see. Oh, it opens quite hard, but no problem. Yes, it is fully intact, so the piston is working, guys. Let me show you. This is a quite nice example. It has seen better days. It was certainly used at one point. We can see the residue of ink. As you probably know, if you watch my channel, the 61C is fitted with this piston filler or ink converter, but it is part of the whole body. So this was the main design of communist-made fountain pens back in those days. They didn't had plastic cartridges, so this was the main filling mechanism. A wonderful, wonderful fountain pen at a wonderful, wonderful price. At this price, it was a steal, and it was a shame to miss out this beautiful, beautiful fountain pen. And this was the main reason that I bought this lot. But when the seller heard that I am collecting writing instruments, he showed me this little beauty, and this, in my opinion, is quite a rare writing instrument, and I had to have it. Of course, guys, believe it or not, it's not a fountain pen, but it's something rather special. You can call it an oddity, and this is it. Well, it certainly looks like the feather of a bird they used in the 18th century, a quill, if I'm not mistaken. But believe it or not, guys, this and strangely named Flaro Caligraf, it is a ballpoint pen. So believe it or not, guys, we have a ballpoint pen. It opens like that, and you can put the mine of the ballpoint pen right there. This isn't fitted with the mine, but you can definitely see that this is a ballpoint pen, and it is a wonderful, wonderful addition to my Flaro collection. Strange enough, it is not a fountain pen, but it is a ballpoint pen, and I didn't pay a large sum of money for it, so it cost me only 30 lays or 6.6 euros or 6.86 American dollars. So quite nice. This is plastic, by the way, guys, if you want to see it. This feather is done with attention to details, as you can see, and it's quite nice to see it in this condition. A little bit of teeth mark right over here at the end, but no problem. It is quite nice. So guys, this was my unboxing, my latest acquisitions. Again, I didn't pay a large sum of money for them, so for around 26 euros or 29 American dollars, I think I bought myself a beautiful Romanian celluloid from the 1960s, and quite a strange item, which was manufactured for Flaro, I believe for a short period of time, because they are quite rare. They don't appear so often on the market. Guys, this was my unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel to support my activity. As always, wherever you are, I wish you to have a wonderful day. We will see each other on the next episode. Till then, take care of yourselves and God bless. Bye bye.